Introducing the 2023 Tesla Model 3 Long Range AWD Bqb1s5n 4-door AUT, a cutting-edge electric vehicle packed with luxurious features for ultimate comfort and convenience. From air conditioning and Bluetooth phone connectivity to satellite navigation and wireless charging, this car has it all. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, collision avoidance braking, and more. This sleek saloon also boasts a stunning glass roof, energy recuperation, and self-driving capabilities for a truly futuristic driving experience. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Ready to experience the future of driving? Visit pixel.com or call us today to learn more about this exceptional Tesla Model 3.